you can see, we successfully found 4,096 blocks of diamonds. And I was going to game mode creative just to show you this is not hollow, it's completely solid. And to do it, watch the full video to know the command to do it. So watch now. Today I'm going to be telling you how to mass spawn any block in Minecraft to prank your friends. So what we have to do is create a new world, okay? Put the world name as maybe test01 for example. Keep the game mode in survival. Press more world options. Keep all of this on, except in allow cheats, press on, okay? In the seed, type in whatever seed you have, and if you want to know seeds, then click on the card I provided for you guys up there, right over there. Okay, it's my previous video telling 6 secret Minecraft seeds that will get you diamonds instantly, and it's in survival, no cheats, no nothing like that, just a seed you have to type in and you're all good to go, and that doesn't count as cheating in my opinion. So click on create new world, and I'm going to be telling you how to mass spawn any block. So for example, it could be diamonds, it could be TNT, it could be anything, okay? I got it, okay, I got it. Okay, so we're in the desert right now. So let's skip to first person. And we need to find an open area, and obviously we got it pretty good already in spawn. So, I would clear some grass just to see the area, all the tall grass. Yikes, no one likes tall grass. Ooh, seed. Okay, so what we have to do to mass spawn any block is do /fill, okay? In the command, like in the text area, because this is in the text area, and to prove it, I can say sup to no one myself, I guess. So I said sup right now in the chat. So this is the chat, and in the chat can also work as a command area, because the only way to spawn blocks, mass spawn blocks, is by commands. So this is cheat commands, and using cheat commands, you can also change the game mode, like creative. Bam! Now we're in creative mode. We can get whatever we want, but for this presentation it's gonna be in survival, but you can also do spectator, like any game mode honestly. And in spectator, we can go inside, see everything, but that's not what we want to do. Okay, we're gonna do survival as the game mode. Ow. And we're gonna do /fill space, and when you do these little things, you'll find it on your keyboard, okay? Non-keyboard users, you'll figure it out. If you know how to use a mobile phone or device, you know where these are located, but I'm using a keyboard right now. So in a keyboard, you'll find it in the left-hand corner, and so shift and click on that. You do 4 of those, and then type in any number you want. So it's usually between 10 to 30, okay? 38, 10 to 38, I would say. So just for the demonstration of this, I'll do 15. And then we have to do space, do 1 more of these, do 15. No space between the 15 and the little whatever that is. Space, 15. And I'm doing all of this because this is length, width, and height. It's formulates into a cube, length, width, and height. So basic math, length, width, and height, 15, 15, 15, which will obviously make a cube, because all of it's the same. And if you want to make it a rectangle, then just tweak these numbers a bit. Very simple geometry though. So I'm making a cube right now, so that's how it works to mass spawn, length, width, and height. That's what I'm putting the numbers. That's what the numbers are for. So space, and then type in whatever you want. For example, we'll use diamonds, okay? Because we want to become rich. Of course, you can pick between Minecraft Diamond or our Minecraft Diamond block. We all want Diamond block, so click Diamond block and press enter. And before you press enter, see if it's all right. If anything's red, that means something's wrong with it. See, for example, that. And it will help you autocorrect it, so click on it on the top. But if it's red, any of the letters or any of the numbers, or any of these signs, then that means it won't work. So I know all of these work because none of them are red. So press enter, and you might suffocate a bit, but usually you won't. And now we successfully filled 4,096 blocks of diamonds. Pure diamonds right here. Not fake diamonds, real diamonds. And for a demonstration of this, I'll go into game mode. Oh god. I'll go into game mode creative, and I'll show you. This is not hollow. It goes all the way inside, okay? See? Straight hole. This is not a hollow thing. This is not hollow. Completely all of it, including the inside, is all diamonds. So let's change the game mode again. No, not creative, survival. Okay, so you're saying, okay, we don't want riches. That's cheating. I get you. So if you just want to grief your friends or prank them more, then this is the option for you. If you want to mass spawn TNT, then this is definitely the option for you. So I would go to the corner of the land you're in, okay? Just remove any blocks in the way. Okay, and I would take those blocks and make sure it's higher than the rest of it, okay? Now we can mass spawn it. So, again, same command, 15, 18, 18. And then we have to type in what we want, because that's how the command thing works. So TNT, enter. Ow, 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 we're suffocating. If you suffocate, just break the block. Good thing it's TNT. If it's diamonds, you would die. And then remove whatever elevation you put. And then you can put it back in its original position. Okay. So then we got all of these. And to show you it's real TNT, I'm going to do / game mode. Oh, whoops. I put whatever. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Game mode creative. E. Flint. Oh, whoops. Flint and steel. I'm going to get some flint and steel to show it's real TNT. And to show, I don't know, just to end the video off in a very cool ending. Yes, explode! How can my computer handle this? Because look at the display on the right hand. Displays 920, 180, NVIDIA GeForce RTX. Speaking of GeForce RTX, there's a Minecraft Windows edition of GeForce RTX, which is like shaders, except it's not modded, it's in the actual game. And wow, there's a lot of damage. Like the oceans are coming through. That's pretty sensible, but wow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Wrong camera angle. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, remember to subscribe, leave a like, and ding dong ding, that's a notification bell, so press that too once you're subscribed, so you'll be updated on new videos. And I will sign off right now so I don't bore you guys. So peace out, goodbye, bye.